Use the Schedules template in Google Sheets to create a daily schedule that can be printed, accessed from your mobile device, or shared with others as a live document for scheduling purposes. Open Google Sheets, and select the template gallery. Select Schedule. Enter a date in cell C2 as the start of the 7-day schedule. Double-click cell C2 to bring up a date picker option. The dates in row 3 use a formula to update based on the value of cell C2. Let's read the formula in row 4. It references the date in the cell above to pull in the long-form name of the day in the format of all capital letters. Enter events in the schedule. You may increase the length of an event by clicking and dragging from the bottom right corner of the cell with the fill handle. Alternatively, click and drag to select Arrange, and then use Merge Cells to remove borders. Use a fill color to better categorize events. If you found that tip useful, click the thumbs up icon to help others find it better by giving the YouTube algorithm a boost. When a smaller time interval is needed for scheduling, such as 15-minute intervals instead of 30, you may use the autofill to update the rows. But keep in mind, more rows means more scrolling or a smaller font size when printing to one page. Before we continue, I bet you're here because you use Google Sheets. Good news! A full series on increasing productivity with Sheets is being developed. Click subscribe to receive these tips as they become available. Do it with me and be that person that discovered how to increase their productivity through ongoing quick tips by hitting the subscribe button in 3, 2, 1, click. Besides adding rows, it is possible to add columns and continue the formulas for more days of the week, like if you would want to see a full month's worth of data. But the autofill likely won't work as nicely, even if you use absolute references, and the formulas may need to be manually updated. At the bottom of the template is a place to add notes. If you go beyond the width of the cell, you may view all the text in the formula bar. For to-do items, I recommend clicking in column F, apply right formatting, click the Insert tab, followed by checkbox, to help keep track of completed tasks. Before our final tips, we want you to know that we're here to help. If you have questions or run into difficulty, please leave a comment on this video. All comments are reviewed. You may also contact us at techtipsin10@gmail.com. To make the schedule publicly available, click File, Share, Share with Others, and change General Access from Restricted to Anyone with a link. Click Copy Link. Finally, to create a printed copy, go to File, Print. Use Fit to Page to shrink everything to one page.